Post-order traversal. This is the one of the method in the depth first search for doing the traversing. In a post-order traversing, we are doing the process like first we have to visit the left subtree, then right subtree and the root node. So already we have seen about pre-order, in-order and the pre-order and in-order. So in a pre-order, how we did the first in order how we did the traversing. First we will visit the root node, then left and the right. But in a pre-order, we visited first left, sorry, pre-order resistor. This is the pre-order. And in order, first left, then root, then right. And in a post order, first we have to visit the left, then root, then left we have to visit the left, right and root. Okay, left, right and root. So in a pre-order, so that is a thing pre, that is the first root, left, right. In order means inside, right, in. Root should be in the middle. So left, root, then right. And in the post order, first post means later. So later we have to call the root. So left, right, then root. So this is the steps for doing the tree traversal. So here for this example, first we have to visit the left subtree. So what is the left subtree? It is B. Then we have to visit the right. It is C. Then what is the root? A. So it will visit in the order of B, C, A. We will see one more example. Okay, so this is one example. So first what we are doing, first we have to visit the left, then right and the root. So first root, so we have to check for the left subtree. So this is the left subtree. We have to check whether B has a child. Yes, B has a child. So left child. So it is a D. Then we have to check left whether D has a child. Yes, it has a left child G. So first it will visit the G. Then we have to check it has a right child. It doesn't have a child. So what we are doing, we have to check for the right of the D. So this is the right of the D, right? So the right child is H. So we have to check whether H has a left child. No. Then we have to check whether H has a right child. So it is L. Then root, that is a H. Then root of this GHL. What is that? It is D. Then for B, we have to check whether there is a right child. Yes, there is a right child. It is E. Then B has a child. No, right? So we can visit the B. Then we have to check for the right child of the A. So C. We have to check whether C has a left child. So it doesn't have. So we can move to the right. So right child. So F. For F, we have to check whether it has a left child. Yes. So left child. For that is I. Then we have to check whether I has a left child. So it doesn't have a left child. Then we have to check I has a right child. I doesn't have a right child. So after B, we can visit the I. Then we have to check the parent of I. What is F? For F, we have to check the right. So it is J. And we have to check whether J has a child. J has a child, left child. K, it doesn't have a right child. So we can visit the J. And we have visited all the child of the F. So now we can visit the F. Then we have visited all the child of the C. So we can visit the C. Now we have visited all the right child. So it is A. So what is the order? It is G, L, H, D, E, B, I, K, J, F, C, A. So this is the order of the traversing. Okay, now we will see the algorithm. So in the algorithm, first we have to check the condition. If this condition is true, means it will repeat the steps 2, 3 and 4. So first we are checking the condition. Condition is true. So it will call the tree tends to left function. So this is the left subtree of this tree. Okay. So next, again, what will happen? It will check the condition. Condition is true. So it will call the left tree. Right. So what is the left subtree? This is the left subtree. And we are checking the condition. Condition is true. So it will call the left subtree. Then it will check whether condition is true. So it will check for the left subtree. It doesn't have a left subtree. It will call the left subtree. It doesn't have. Then it will call the right subtree. It doesn't have. So it will write the root. So what is the root here? It is G. Then it will call the right. Okay, it will call the right. So it will call this. So it will check whether it has a left. No, it will check whether it has a right. So L. Okay, then it will write the H. Okay, then we have what we have done. We have visited all this. So it will visit the D. Then again it will check the condition. It is true. Then what it will do, it will call post order 3 tends to right. So it will check here. Then it will check for the left subtree doesn't have, right subtree doesn't have. So it will visit the E. Now we have visited E and F. So we visit the B here. Then it will call the function post order 3 tends to right. So this is the post order 3 tends to right. Okay. Then it will check the condition is true, so it will call the left 3 tends to left. So here it doesn't have left, so it will call the 3 tends to right. Okay, so when I calling this, again it will check the condition is true. So here we are. Then it will call the function, that is 3 tends to left. So this is 3 tends to left, and it will it doesn't have left and right side tree, so it will visit the I. Then next it will call the function 3 tends to right. So it is a 3 tends to right. Then it will check the condition is true. So it will call the left function. So it is K. Then it will call the left and right. It doesn't have left and right. So it will write the data, that is K. Then it will call the right function, doesn't have a data. So what it will do, it will write the J. And left and right we have completed here, so it will write the F. And here also left and right we have completed, so it will write the C. And here also we have completed left and right, will write the A. So what is the order? It is G L H, that is E B I, then K J F C A. So you have to remember these steps. So first it is a pre-order. So in a pre-order, what are the steps? We have to visit the root, then left and right. The next one is a in order. So in order means in. You remember the in. Root is in. So left, root, then right. Then next post order. So you remember post later. Okay. So later, root is at the end. So left, root, left, right, and then root. So if you remember this, it is easy for understanding. So this is about the post order traversing.